Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to be reading and showing articles of the snowstorms in some U.S. states. Major storm dumps snow, closes mountain routes in California. A major Christmas weekend storm caused whiteout conditions, closed key highways amid blowing snow in the mountains of Northern California and Nevada, with forecasters warning that travel in the Sierra Nevada could be difficult for several days. Authorities near Reno said 3 people were injured in a 20-car pileup on Interstate 395, where drivers described limited visibility on Sunday. Further west, a 70-mile stretch of Interstate 80 was shut down until at least Monday from Colax, California, through the Lake Tahoe region to the Nevada state line. The California Department of Transportation also closed many other roads while warning of slippery. Okay, I'll say that again. While warning of slippery conditions for motorists. Expect major travel delays on all roads, the National Weather Service office in Reno, Nevada, said Sunday on Twitter. Today is the type of day to just stay home if you can. More snow is on the way too. The Weather Service issued a winter storm warning for Greater Lake Tahoe until 1 a.m. Tuesday because of possible widespread whiteout conditions and wind gusts that could top 45 miles per hour. Turbulent weather stretched from San Diego to Seattle. More than a foot of snow was reported near Port Angeles on Washington State's Puget Sound. Portland, Oregon received a dusting, but the city was expected to get another 2.5 inches by Monday morning, according to the Weather Service. In California, rock slides caused by heavy rain closed more than 40 miles of coastal highway, one in the Big Sur region, south of the San Francisco Bay Area. There was no estimate for the reopening of the scenic stretch that is frequently shut after wet weather. All right, I'm going to the next one. In Seattle, Washington. Inches of snow fall in Seattle on Sunday, with more expected as temperatures dipped. The Seattle area woke up to about 2 to 5 inches of snow on the ground in Kings County on Sunday morning. About 4 more inches of snow is expected to fall throughout the day, and temperatures are expected to dip into the teens on Sunday night. We're updating this page with the latest news about the weather and its effect on the Seattle area. Amid a civil emergency and the coldest temperatures in years, outreach to people living in encampments is underway. The city of Seattle also has added 4 nighttime severe weather shelters, totaling 6 shelters. The city previously announced last week space for around 200 people at the exhibition hall at Seattle Center and the Compass Center in Pioneer Square. While some of the shelters were open on Sunday evening, all 6 will be open Monday evening through Wednesday. So that's a snowstorm in Seattle, Washington. Going to the next one. Fast-moving storm to affect travel in upper Midwest states. A winter storm system was building steam in South Dakota Sunday morning and has prompted weather alerts in eastern North Dakota, northern Minnesota, in northwestern Wisconsin. The National Weather Service said the storm was expected to move quickly from the southwest to northeast and could dump up to a foot of snow in some areas of eastern North Dakota and northern Minnesota. Potential drifting could make travel nearly impossible, with blowing snow becoming more of a factor on Monday. Another system on a similar track will follow for Tuesday into Wednesday, with very cold temperatures to follow for the remainder of the week. So that's the winter storm in some of the Midwest states. Next one. In the Northeast states. Wintry mix of light snow, sleet, freezing rain could make some roads icy Monday. Forecasters from the National Weather Service say a weak frontal system from the Great Lakes could bring a wintry mix of light snow, sleet, and freezing rain to parts of northern New Jersey and northeastern Pennsylvania Monday afternoon into Monday night. The Weather Service says there's a possibility that some roads could become slick if a small layer of ice builds up, so the agency might issue a formal winter weather advisory in some areas of New Jersey, including Bergen and Passaic counties. As of 5 p.m. Sunday, the Weather Service Regional New York office, which oversees 5 counties in northeastern New Jersey, had issued hazardous weather outlook saying there is a potential for a light mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain in western Bergen and western Passaic late Monday into Monday night. Although little, if any, snow and sleet accumulation is expected in those areas of the state, the Weather Service said it may issue a winter weather advisory if confidence grows that a light layer of ice could form on the ground. As of 5 p.m. Sunday, the Weather Service Regional Forecast Office in Mount Holly, which handles most of New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania, had issued a winter weather advisory only for Carbon and Maron counties in northeastern Pennsylvania, effective from 11 a.m. Monday through midnight Tuesday. Impact should largely remain limited to slippery conditions on roadways and sidewalks, with a light glaze also on trees and branches, the Weather Service said in its public forecast discussion. It's in a hazardous weather outlook for Morris, Suffolk, and Warren counties. The Mount Holly office said our ice accumulation may result in disruptions to travel on Monday. Okay, these are the snowstorms that's going to happen in parts of the US. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post the links to these articles under the video title. I'm going to close it out. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.